Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it for you to get notified whenever I upload new videos in this channel. First, kailangan muna natin mag-login sa ating Gcash account. I-enter lang natin yung ating MPIN. Pag nasa homepage na tayo ng ating Gcash account, tap lang natin yung borrow icon. After matap yung borrow, lalabas yung 3 choices, yung Gcredit, Gloan, at Ggives. Piliin lang natin yung Gloan. Pag tap ng Gloan, lalabas yung amount kung magkano yung pwede natin mahiram sa Gloan. Itong account na gamit ko ay maaaring makapag-loan up to 100,000. Gagawa ko ng separate video kung paano naging 100,000 yung aming Gloan. Kaya make sure po na mag-subscribe sa aking channel at i-hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo once uploaded na yung video. Tap lang natin yung Get Started. Then, sa Gloan page, mag-a-appear kung paano ba mag-work ang Gloan. Naka-indicate dito na yung offered loan ay nakabase sa Gscore. I-discuss ko sa next video ko kung magkano yung Gscore namin bago magkaroon ng 100,000 loan offer. Nakalagay din na makakakuha tayo ng instant approval dahil lahat ng kailangan sa pag-process ng ating loan ay nasa Gcash app na. Nakalagay din dito na madali lang magbayad ng ating payment dues dahil maaari natin itong bayaran dito sa ating Gcash app. At naka-indicate din dito na safe and secure naman yung Gloan dahil ang Gcash ay mayroong trusted partners na mapoprovide ng service na ito. Tap lang natin yung Get Started to proceed. After matap yung Get Started, makikita natin yung ating loan amount details, months to pay, or kung gaano katagal natin babayaran yung loan. Yung months to pay, automatic yung Gcash po ang magbibigay nito. Hindi po tayo makakapili kung gaano natin katagal gusto bayaran yung ating loan. First, pipiliin muna tayo ng loan amount. Sa 100,000 na loan offer, ang minimum amount na pwede natin ma-loan ay 5,000 pesos. At maximum amount naman ay 100,000. Pwede natin itong i-adjust depende kung magkano ang loan amount na kailangan natin. Kung ang loan amount na ilalagay natin ay 5,000 pesos, ito ay babayaran natin within 9 months. Then sa summary, makikita natin yung loan amount, magkano yung 3% processing fee na ibabawas sa ating loan, at kung magkano yung amount na marireceive natin. Naka-indicate din dito yung interest rate, yung term or kung gaano natin katagal babayaran yung ating loan, yung monthly due or kung magkano yung babayaran natin monthly. Sa 5,000 na loan, ang processing fee nito ay 150 at yung loan amount na marireceive natin ay 4,850. Yung babayaran naman natin monthly ay 650 and 06 cents. Kung ang ilo-loan naman natin ay 50,000, ito ay babayaran natin within 12 months or 1 year. Ang 3% processing fee nito ay 1,500. Bali ang amount na marireceive natin ay 48,500. Ito ay may 1.59% interest rate. Ang monthly dues natin na babayaran sa loob ng 12 months ay 4,961 and 67 cents. Kung ang i-avail naman natin na loan ay 100,000, ito ay babayaran natin within 18 months or 1.5 year. Ang 3% processing fee nito ay 3,000, bali ang amount na marireceive natin ay 97,000. Ito ay may interest rate na 1.99%. Ang monthly dues natin ay 7,545 at 56 cents na babayaran natin sa loob ng isa't kalahating taon. Pero since ang amount na kailangan naming i-loan ay 40,000, ito ang pipiliin namin at ito ay babayaran within 12 months or 1 year. Next, pipili naman tayo ng purpose of loan. Tap lang natin yung select option. Then, lalabas yung list of purpose. Ang pipiliin namin dito ay general expenses or other. Sa summary, naka-indicate dito na yung loan na 40,000 ay may 3% processing fee na 1,200, kaya ang marireceive na lang namin ay 38,800. At yung interest rate nito ay 1.59%. At ang babayaran namin monthly sa loob ng 1 year ay 3,969 and 33 cents. Tap lang natin yung Get This Loan to proceed. After matap yung Get This Loan, mag-a-appear yung summary ng ating loan. After 1 month from the date na nag-loan tayo, yung una nating payment due. Tap lang natin yung Continue. Next, mag-a-appear yung Gloan application form. Pre-filled na ito ng Gcash. May mga details na silang na-provide base sa ating information sa ating Gcash account. I-review lang natin yung mga pre-filled information. Kung tama naman lahat ng details, tap lang natin yung Next. Sa next page, need naman natin i-input yung ating nickname, sex or gender, civil status. Yung other mobile number at landline number ay optional lang. So okay lang na hindi na natin ilalagay ang details. Sa portion ng small business, pipili lang tayo sa yes or no. Then need natin i-input yung ating character reference. After ma-fill out yung required details, next i-review naman natin kung tama lahat ng details na na-input natin sa ating Gloan application form. Kung tama naman lahat ng details, i-tick lang natin yung I agree to Fuse Lending Data Privacy Agreement. Then, automatic lalabas yung Fuse Lending Data Privacy Consent. Nakapaloob dito sa privacy consent na pumapayag tayo na kolektahin, i-process, gamitin, i-share, at i-store yung ating name, age, birth date, birthplace, nationality, marital status, sex or gender, government-issued identification numbers, and IDs para sa mga sumusunod na purposes tulad ng Know Your Customer or KYC, debt collection, credit and investigation, and etc. Basahin lang po natin yung nakapaloob sa consent. After mabasa, tap lang natin yung back icon. Then, pabalik sa GLoan application page, automatic naka-check na yung privacy agreement. Tap lang natin yung submit to proceed. After ma-click yung submit, lalabas yung loan details natin. Naka-indicate dito yung loan amount na marireceive natin, yung repayment, or kung magkano yung babayaran natin monthly. Nakalagay din dito yung interest per month, processing fee, duration, at yung ating first payment due. Para makapag-proceed, next, i-click naman natin yung Fuse Lending Disclosure Statement. Then, automatic lalabas yung GLoan Disclosure Statement. Naka-indicate dito yung ating personal details tulad ng ating name, complete address, at contact number. Nakalagay din dito yung ating loan details, kung magkano yung amount, financial charges, yung amount na marireceive natin, at yung interest rates. Naka-indicate din dito yung schedule of payment. Dalawang option yung makikita natin under schedule of payment. Yung letter A, which is yung single payment, at yung letter B, which is yung total installment payment. Nakalagay din dito yung collateral. 4 options naman ang makikita natin under collateral. Yung real estate, government securities, chattels, and unsecured. Yung nakacheck dito sa loan namin ay unsecured. Naka-indicate din sa non-disclosure statement yung additional charges in case na hindi natin mabayaran on time yung ating loan. May late payment fee po ito na 100 pesos plus may additional na 0.15% ng daily outstanding principal loan balance. Make sure po na mababayaran natin yung ating loan on time para hindi tayo makaroon ng additional late payment charges. After mabasa yung disclosure statement, tap lang natin yung back icon. Then, pabalik sa GLoan application page, automatic naka-check na yung disclosure agreement. Next, tick naman natin yung loan terms and conditions. At automatic lalabas ng GLoan terms and conditions. Mayroong 8 terms and conditions na nakapaloob dito. First ay yung application and verification process. Dito naka-indicate yung proseso ng loan at verification nito. Sa number 2 naman ay yung loan fees and charges. Dito naka-indicate yung fees and charges ng ating GLoan, kung ilang percent ang interest nito at kung ano yung other charges. Next is yung loan release. Dito naman naka-indicate kung paano natin makukuha yung ating loan. Sa number 4 naman ay yung repayment, kung ano yung proseso pag magbabayad na tayo ng ating GLoan. Under fault and duplications, dito naman naka-indicate kung ano ang mangyayari kung hindi natin mababayaran yung ating loan. Yung number 6 terms and conditions ay consent to processing of personal information. Dito naka-indicate na ina-authorize natin ang Fuse Group na kolektahin at i-process yung ating personal information. Under complaints, dito naman naka-indicate kung saang channels tayo pwede mag-report ng ating complaints or concerns about sa loan natin. And lastly ay yung miscellaneous. Dito naman naka-indicate na if ever kailanganin ng Fuse ng third-party service tulad ng debt collection company para sa cases na hindi makapagbayad ng loan, yung Fuse ay entitled na singilin sa borrower yung attorney's fees and service provider's fees as permitted by law. Sobrang haba po ng terms and conditions, pwede po natin itong i-screenshot para babasa natin yung kabuuan nito. Though mahaba yung terms and conditions, I highly suggest na basahin ito para alam natin kung ano yung nakapaloob sa transaction na i-avail natin or papasukin natin. Tap lang natin yung back icon para bumalik sa GLoan page. Automatic mag-check na yung loan terms and conditions. Tap lang natin yung continue to proceed. After matap yung continue, lalabas naman kung magkano yung amount na marireceive natin. 40,000 yung loan na in-avail namin. Pero since may 3% processing fee ito, which is 1,200, kaya naging 38,800 na lang yung marireceive namin na loan amount. Tap lang natin yung confirm. Then, i-enter lang natin yung 6-digit authentication code na ipapadala sa ating Gcash number. After may input yung authentication code, tap lang natin yung submit. Next, may mag-a-appear na message na loan application successful at naka-indicate dito na ipapadala sa ating Gcash account yung ating loan amount within 24 to 48 hours. Makaka-receive din tayo ng SMS or email para sa confirmation ng ating transaction. Ipadala na agad yung aming loan sa Gcash account. na-receive na namin yung 38,800 Gcash from Gloan. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click subscribe.